Bowl off with some cricket, shall we? Former West Indies captain Dwayne Bravo believes the West Indies T20 cricket hasn't improved since the early days of the shortest format in international cricket. Despite winning World T20 titles in 2012 and 2016, the West Indies have not been a force in T20 cricket for the past few years. Speaking on the Buried Before Wicket podcast, Bravo explained that while other nations have adjusted and adapted to T20 cricket, the West Indies have been playing the same way since the early rise of the format.
Dominated T20 cricket so early, and for that first phase, first 5-6 years, again, is because when T20 cricket now come out, it was based on power. And that's what we had. The rest of the world catch on. So now, England has power, Australia has power, South Africa has power, India has power.
That's true.
Everybody has have the power game now. Whereas we now, but they now has power and touch, singles, rotation. We still relying on power.
In the meantime, Bravo claims successive administrations have not been able to move the sport in the region forward.
In West Indies, we keep relying on natural talent. We did not add better infrastructure. We did not add science to our natural talent, and just keep relying on this natural talent. So if the rest of the world have their talent and the infrastructure and facility and everything, but we just here, obviously this go past us.
The West Indies are currently ranked 6th in the world in T20 cricket.